Select line segment and create a line. Pick a stroke color and adjust the stroke weight. Press Alt and drag the line down to copy it. Press Ctrl+D until the canvas is filled with lines. Type a letter or create a shape. Use the selection tool to place it on top of the lines. If you're using a letter, you have to create outlines. Select everything. Select the shape builder. Hold Alt and remove all the lines around your letter or shape. You can remove the letter or shape now. Select all the lines. You can now adjust the stroke settings to your liking. And that's how you create this effect.